Hi, what's up, AMP holder? AMP holder, I have two good news for all AMP holder, my friends. But please don't miss my friend, this chance. Otherwise, you will lost now. In this time, my friends, AMP price is increasing. So therefore, I have this is the first good news, my friend. And the second good news is that so the good time is coming soon. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time we will going to be. Yes, my friend, you will better understand. To upcoming time, we will go to be completely in the moon now, so please don't miss this chance also. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time this is possible to we or just an only take or risk can get a profit. So please, I hope you will also everyone is understand now. So my friend, in those days AMP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, and I like it, and I hope, my friends, to upcoming time they will make you millionaire now. So let's see my viewer, my subscriber, to what they do. But please, my friends, please, what I tell you, please. All right, so AMP holder, if a price will increasing, so therefore that's mean, my friends, to you will need to do this something, which I see, what I see, my friend. So this time, my friend, after a short fail, every coin will take a jump. So absolutely, after a short fail, after a long dip, absolutely they were very badly fell down. So I notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to do this. Otherwise, you will be lost. And please, I hope, my friends, to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. Allah Hafiz, take care, AMP holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.